Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to Maths Made Easy. This is Iram Simab. In our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn about the estimation, in which first we will learn a round off the whole numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Next we will learn about round off the decimal numbers to the nearest whole numbers. So let's start our lesson. First, here comes the definition of the estimation. First, we will learn about what is actually the estimation is. Estimation is a process to find a value that is closest to the right number, or we can say that closest to the original number, but not exact. यानी जो हमारे पास एक ऐसा नंबर जो कि एग्जैक्टली वो नंबर जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है उसके इक्वल ना हो लेकिन उसके नज़दीक नज़दीक हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एस्टिमेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्राइस ऑफ अ टॉय कार इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 250. मे बी वो 245 की आई हो या 247 की आई हो, लेकिन इसके करीब तरीन जो होल नंबर बनता है वो 250 है, तो इसलिए हम कहते हैं price of a toy car is approximately 250 rupees. इसी तरह एक और दूसरी एग्जांपल, अहमद comes from इस्लामाबाद to Peshawar in 3 hours. हो सकता है अहमद को इस्लामाबाद से पेशावर आने में 2 hours 45 minutes लगते हों, but here we use approximately 3 hours. तो ये जो approximately का हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं, that is actually for the estimation. हम एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं बता रहे होते हैं, बट हम एस्टिमेट कर रहे होते हैं कि ये हो सकता है कि टोटल इतना टाइम लगा हो या टोटल इतने रुपीस की आई हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्टिमेशन. एंड अदर एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक लाइक 38 plus 19, which is about 60. 38 और 19 को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास जो ओरिजिनल नंबर आता है वो है 57. 38 plus 19 equals to 57, but here we are using for the estimation that is 38 plus 19 is about 60. This is called estimation. Now we will take another example to make the estimation concept more clear. Here we have a number line on which there are number which shows the kilometers, and the red marks are for the pumping stations. And the example is if Ahmad is driving the car from city A to city B, and on the national highway there is a pumping station after every 10 kilometers, and Ahmad wants to refuel his car when he is at 7th kilometer. So which pumping station he will prefer to go, either on which is on a 0 kilometer or either that is on 10th kilometer. So 7 lies between here 5 and 10, and he will prefer to go to the station which is on 10 kilometer because 7 is more near to 10 than the 0 kilometer station. Now, if he wants to refuel the car at 33 kilometer, on which pumping station will he go for petrol? So he will go back to the pumping station which is at 30 kilometer. अगर वो 30 किलोमीटर क्योंकि नज़दीक है इसलिए वो प्रेफर करेगा 30 किलोमीटर पे जाने का, वो दोबारा वापस जाएगा. इफ़ ही इज़ एट 33 किलोमीटर तो पंपिंग स्टेशन के लिए वो दोबारा वापस जाएगा 30 kilometer pe because that is more near to the 40 kilometer station. Now, if Ahmed wants to refuel his car at 35 kilometer, then on which pumping station he will go for the petrol? The answer is he will go pumping station which is at 40 kilometer because the distance is same between the 30 kilometer pumping station and 40 kilometer pumping station. As he is going to city B to save his time, he will choose the pumping station which is at 40 kilometer. Now, after explaining the estimation, and hopefully you might have learned a lot through the examples, now we will move to our main topics, that is round off the whole numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now first we have round off to 10. Here we are given a whole number which is 907, and we have to write it round off to 10. First we will write 907 to round down to 10, that is 900. And if we write 907 to round it up to 10, that is 910. Now, which is the correct one, 900 or 910? For this, we will check our ones place. Here in ones place, we have 7, which is greater than 5. So, we will move to round up to 10, that is 910. So, our required result is 910. Next we have another example which is 555, and we have to round off to 10. इसको हमने round off करना है to 10. For this we will go through the same pattern. First here we will write round down to 10, that is 550, and here we will move round up to 10, that is 560. But which is the correct answer? Either we should write 550 or 560. For this we will check our ones place. वंस प्लेस here we have 5. हमारे पास वंस प्लेस में 5 हो या 5 से ग्रेटर नंबर हो तो हम इसको राउंड अप टू 10 करेंगे, that is 560. So the required result is 560. Now next we have round off to nearest 100. Here we are given a whole number which is 907, and we are asked to round it off to the nearest 100. For this we will go through the same pattern. Here we have 907. First we will round it down to its 100, that is 900, and then we will round it up to 100, that is 1000. अब हम ये check करेंगे either 900 is correct or 1000 is correct. For this we will check the tens place value. Here we have 0. If we have 5 or more than 5, then we move to round up, and if we have the digit which is less than 5, we move to round down. So here we have 0 which is less than 5, so we will move down. We will move towards round down, that is 900. So our required result is 900. Next we have round off to nearest 1000. Again we have given a whole number which is 1061, and we are asked to round it off to nearest 1000. Here again we will go through the same pattern. 161, if we round it down to 1000, we have 1000, and if we have to round it up to 1000, that is 2000. So which one is correct, 1000 or 2000? So its nearest, to check its nearest 1000, we will check its hundreds place value, that is 0. Here again we will use the same rule. If the number is 5 or more than 5, then we move round up to 1000. If we have the number which is less than 5, we move to round down. So here we have 0 which is less than 5, so we will move round down to 1000, that is 1000. So our required result is 1000. होपफुली आपको इसकी बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी। Next we have round off a decimal number to a whole number. Here we are given a number which is a decimal number, that is 37.56, and we are asked to round it off to the whole number. So the same pattern we will go through, and there is 37.56, and if we go round down, so we have 37. Here we will write 37, and if we move round up, if we will move to round up, we will have the number that is 38, one more than the number 37. Okay, now which is the correct one for this? We will check through a number which is after the decimal point. Here after the decimal point we have 5. If we have here 5 or more than 5, we will move to round up to the whole number, that is 38. So our required result is 38. If we don't have 5 here, or less than a number 5, let's suppose 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then we move to round down and we write here the previous number, that is 37. Now here we have 5, so we will move to round up and we have the required number, that is 38. So our required result is 38. Another example is 76.05, which is a decimal number, and we have to round off to whole number. And the same pattern we will go through. Here first we will write its whole number, round down, that is 76, and then we will write its whole number which is round up to it. So we'll just check through which is the correct one, कौन सा हमारे पास whole number जो है वो सही है. Either we will round down or other we will round up. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमने इस डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद वाला जो नंबर है उसको चेक करना है. If that is 5 or more than 5, then we move to round up. If that is less than 5, so we will round down. तो हमारे पास चूंकि ये 0 है और ये 5 से लेस है, इसलिए हम राउंड डाउन जाएंगे, यानी कि ये 76 आएगा हमारे पास, इससे अगला नंबर नहीं आएगा. हमने उसके उसी प्रीवियस नंबर को फॉलो करना है, यानी कि ये नंबर जो 76.05 है वो मीट करेगा अपने प्रीवियस नंबर को, दैट इज 76. सो आवर रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट इज 76. So this is the end of our lecture number 4, which was about estimation, and with this our unit number 4 has completed. Hopefully you might have learned a lot, and for more videos please like and subscribe our channel to get new videos on time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.